This is our series of city breaks in France. Welcome to the charming Vieux Lille, the historic heart of the city. This picturesque district is a treasure trove of delightful surprises. Its unique architecture, a fusion of Flemish, Spanish and French influences, stands as a testament to Lille's rich heritage. The cobblestone streets, lined with ornate 17th century buildings, are a sight to behold. And the vibrant atmosphere, it's simply infectious. Vieux Lille is a bustling hub of activity with a myriad of boutiques offering a wide array of unique finds. The enticing scent of freshly baked goods wafts from the numerous bakeries dotted around, inviting you to indulge in a taste of local cuisine. Meanwhile, the charming cafes provide a perfect spot to sit back, relax, and soak in the lively ambiance. As you explore, you'll find that Vieux Lille, with its blend of history and modernity, is an essential stop for any weekend traveler. Vieux Lille, a blend of history and modernity, is a perfect start to our city break. Moving on, we arrive at the Palais des Beaux-Arts, one of the largest museums in France. This grand palace is a treasure trove of artistic brilliance, spanning from the medieval period to the modern era. It boasts an impressive collection of European art, with works from masters such as Rubens, Van Dyck and Monet. But the artistic splendors aren't confined to the canvases. The Palais des Beaux-Arts itself is a work of art. Its grandiose facade, ornate interiors, and majestic staircases are a testament to the architectural prowess of the 19th century. From the tranquil landscapes of the Romantic period to the jarring abstracts of modernism, the Palais des Beaux-Arts offers a journey through the evolution of art. It's an immersive experience that transcends time and space, taking you on a cultural odyssey right in the heart of Lille. A visit to Palais des Beaux-Arts offers a rich artistic experience in the heart of Lille. Next, we step into the Vieille Bourse, a paradise for book lovers and a symbol of Lille's cultural heritage. Built in the 17th century, this grand building was once the beating heart of the city's economic life. Today, it has transformed into an enchanting book market, brimming with old and new literary treasures waiting to be discovered by eager readers. The Vieille Bourse's transformation is more than just a change in function. It's a testament to Lille's ability to preserve its history while embracing the new. Its ancient stone walls, intricate carvings, and grand archways tell tales of a rich past, while the lively chatter of book traders and the rustle of turning pages echo the city's vibrant present. This bustling book market isn't just a place to find your next great read, it's a cultural hub where art, music, and dance performances often take place, adding to its unique charm. The Vieille Bourse, with its historical charm and cultural significance, is a must-visit for every traveler. For outdoor enthusiasts, Lille Citadel and Oisemes Market are the perfect spots to explore. The Lille Citadel, a 17th century star-shaped fortress, is steeped in history. Once a symbol of power and defense, it now stands as a testament to the city's resilience. Its surrounding park, punctuated with age-old trees and tranquil pathways, is a haven for nature lovers. Shifting from the historic to the vibrant, we venture into Oisemes Market. This bustling locale is a kaleidoscope of flavors, colors, and sounds. From the freshest produce to artisan crafts, there's something for everyone. The market, deeply rooted in Lille's culture, is a melting pot of local and international influences. reflecting the city's diverse spirit. Whether it's a leisurely stroll through the park, a deep dive into history, or a sensory explosion at the market, these experiences encapsulate the essence of Lille. From a historical fortress to a lively market, Lille offers unique outdoor experiences. Finally, we unwind by the serene Stroll River, a perfect end to our city break. This tranquil waterway exudes an aura of peace and tranquility, a stark contrast to the bustling city life we've experienced thus far. As we wander along the riverbank, we're treated to picturesque views that seem straight out of a postcard. The Stroll River, in all its calm glory, effortlessly mirrors the changing hues of the sky, creating a mesmerizing tableau that soothes the senses. For those with a penchant for a little activity, the river offers delightful boat rides. Imagine gliding gently on the water, the rhythmic lapping of the waves against the boat, providing the perfect soundtrack to your journey. And let's not forget the quaint picnics by the riverside, a time for laughter, conversations, and creating memories. By the peaceful Stroll River, we conclude our city break in Lille. This is our City Break series. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can keep providing travel information and covering famous cities for your pleasure.